Street food at its finest, chicken taco with a bok choy dressing.
Okay, let's get to work. We'll start by preparing our vegetables. I'm using red onion, green peppers, some red peppers, and some nice Spanish onion as well. Once we've got those all sliced up, we'll set them aside so we can move on to our chicken. You'll notice here I'm going to start out by cleaning up the chicken first. I am then going to butterfly it, which means to slice right in the middle and open that chicken breast right up. I'm then going to cover it with some parchment paper, and I'm going to use my meat mallet. You can use anything you'd like, a rolling pin, just to flatten that out a little bit more. Next, we'll move on to slicing our chicken. You'll notice I'm slicing it into thin pieces. The reason I do this is because it allows the chicken to cook more evenly and even a little bit more quickly. Okay, cooking time for this easy recipe. We'll add some oil into that hot pan. Lay this chicken away from you, that way you can minimize the splashing. Go ahead and season that up with some salt and pepper, garlic and onion powder, cayenne pepper, and a little bit of smoked paprika. Once your chicken is white around the edges and towards the center, it's time to turn that over. I'll even go ahead and add a splash of chipotle hot sauce. We'll move on to the vegetables. Here come the onions, a little bit of garlic, and everything else. As a little added kicker, I've got some jalapenos going in there tonight. We'll also season this up with a little bit of salt and pepper. Chicken tacos are great street food. Please also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share so you can see more great recipes.
No one likes a soft taco. Patience. By doing this with your rolling pin, it's going to take on a nice shape for your taco. Avoid spillage. Even though I have a nice taco rack, this is a nice little addition here. You'll see. Ooh. Uh-oh, I need the ultimate stretch. Oh, that's hot. I can't make it. Yes, I can. Made it. Good. See? Still takes on a nice shape like that. We'll slide it right on in. Like that. Do the same with this guy. I'm not gonna lie here, I got this little tip or trick, however you might call it, from Gordon Ramsay. Gordon, great tip, thank you.
For the bok choy garnish or dressing that you're going to see me adding here in just a second, you should be able to click right up here in the corner to take you to the link on my YouTube channel to see that recipe in that video. It's fantastic. You've got to try it.
Street food at its finest, chicken taco with a bok choy dressing. Let's give it a go. Oh, you know it, Bryce. Boom! This is off the charts again. Wow. You've got to make this. This is delicious.